Welcome to this quick guide where I'm going to show you how to uninstall apps on Windows 10. So as you can see here on my desktop, I've got a few apps installed on my computer, and in this example we're going to be uninstalling the Brave browser from my Windows 10 system. To start, head down to your Start button and then right click on it. You'll then see this list of options, and the one that you want to find here is Apps and Features, and then click on that. Once you get to this screen, you'll see a list of all of the apps that are installed on your computer, and by default they'll be in alphabetical order. So I want to uninstall Brave from my computer, and to do that I'll click into it, and then I get this option that says uninstall, so I'll click on that, and then another box appears where I'll have to click uninstall again. If the app that you're trying to uninstall has any additional setup wizard prompts, you'll just have to follow those to get it completely uninstalled from your system. I hope you found this guide useful. If you did, please leave a like on the video and consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks so much for watching.